Alright, a little summary of today's job. I still have the downspouts to do. That piece of rain gutter, downspout going on the corner. That is a pretty cool color. It's almost like forest green, but it's got blue in it. It's wild. Did that piece of gutter dropping to the lower roof with the roof cut. That means that the gutter is tapered like the roof. Did that lower piece, downspout going right here. You can't make water go uphill. Downspout going right there, going out. Did that piece of gutter right there drop into the lower roof. Most of the water is going around the corner here, and there's going to be a downspout at the end over there. This turned out pretty good too. Can barely tell. Did that gutter. There's another gutter on this side, and there's a gutter on the other side also. Man, you can't even see that gutter. Oh, and I did those two gutters up there. There's 3 different houses here. That's one house. That's another house. And that's a garage. Garage is as big as a house. I'm just kidding. Let's see what that rain gutter looks like. Is it straight? I can't see. Oh man. Can't see. I'm not tall enough. But the phone is. Anyhow. It's got a little taper on that. I might have to fix that. It's from them putting the wood out too far. The plywood on top. And it's kicking the gutter out. So I have to cut this metal right here to relieve it. Or stick a screw in there and push it in. Alright, there's another video. I do many of jobs. Very seldom do I do black though. Got a downspout going on this corner. I'd say the garage. This is kind of like a add-on garage right here. It's bigger than the house. It's cool. I like it. This is it would be cool if that was a drive-through garage where the front was open, but it isn't. And I can pull bolts through here. Alright, thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. Subscribe to me if you want to see more gutter videos. I didn't do that, honest. That's pretty wild looking. I appreciate you guys liking my video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, the next job. Love you guys. Bye.